Good morning, dear children. Yes, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at home. Okay? Yes, now back to the study. Children, what we did in the previous period? Who will tell me? About English, huh? Why? Yes, children. We have completed the fourth listening part 4 and this was the homework for you. So children, homework is what? That you have to make the 3 columns of geography, English and biology. After that you have to listen the recording for the question number 19 and then write down the words which are associated with that particular subject. Right? Yes. So for example now children, see here is the recording. School was great today. First we had a lesson about oceans and the average water temperature in each one. Yes children, now in this sentence only, lesson, ocean, water, temperature, these are the words, isn't it? So now tell me, lesson word, in which column we will write it? Yes, it is associated with the English, correct. Then ocean, it will come in the geography. Water, also geography, isn't it? Next is, but the most interesting lesson was about bees. Okay, so bees, where we will write this bees word? It will come in the biology. How they live together and how they develop from eggs to adults, isn't it? So eggs, adults, these are the words, again they will come in the biology. In another lesson we read a part of novel. Novel will come in English. For homework we can write either a story or an article. Children, story, article, this both the words, it will come in the column of English. So have you understood how to complete the homework? I hope you all have completed the homework. Okay? Yes. So this was all about the homework. So today we are going to continue with the listening part 5. Everyone, you all are ready? Yes children. Now you have to open your textbook page number 38. Okay? So shall we start? Very good. Yes children, so here is your listening part 5. Everyone ready? Let's see about the first question. Yes children, this is the listening part 5 and here vocabulary question number first is given, which is related to the different professions, different jobs. See here now, match the jobs with their descriptions. Very simple children, it means we have to match the pairs. But how? See, the example is given. In the first column, there are some descriptions given which are related to the profession. And in the next column, there are jobs given. So we have to read the description and we have to match to that particular job. For example is given, grows food. Okay, what is the example? Grows food. Yes. So then what is the job for this? Who is doing this grows food? Journalist, dentist, engineer, mechanic, receptionist, nurse, manager, farmer. Who is doing this? Yes, it's a farmer. Right? So it means grows food. It's match with farmer. Understood? Yes. So like this we have to complete the question number first. Okay, ready? Take your pencil, sharp it properly and write in neat and clean handwriting. Yes, sir. Then the first one, writes for newspaper. Now read in the next column. Who writes for newspaper? Read. First of all, do you know children what are the duties of this Jobs, professionals, journalist, dentist. What is meant by journalist? Who is he? Journalist means who works for the newspaper, collect the news, writes for the newspaper, etc. Who is the dentist? Dentist is a doctor for the teeth. Then who is engineer? Who construct the buildings, who planning for the construction there. Mechanic. Who is the mechanic? Who builds or repairs the different types of machines. Then receptionist. Do you know who is receptionist? Nowadays children, at every place, at the starting, one receptionist sits there who gives us the information about all the things. Where we want to go, to whom we have to meet, etc. Yes. Then nurse who take care of the patients. Manager who manage everything in the office. And the farmer who works in the farm, who grows crops, food. Okay. Now tell me, writes for newspaper. Right. Who is he? Journalist. So we have to match for it. Okay. Writes for newspaper. You have to do match with me. Journalist. Then looks after sick people. Who looks after the sick people, children? She is the nurse. So match it with the nurse. Then third number. Tells people what to do at work. Who is he? Tells people what to do at work. Who is he? He is the manager. So match it with the manager. Then repairs car. Repairs car. Just read dentist, engineer, mechanic, receptionist. He is the mechanic. So match it with the, yes. The next, looks after people's teeth. He is the dentist. Correct. Just then builds or looks after machines. Builds or looks after machines. He is the engineer. Then meets people when they first come at office. She is the, yes my dear children, she is the receptionist. Okay, have you understood? Yes my dear children, in this way we have to complete the question number first. Come on everyone, do it fast. Have you finished? Shall I rough? We will continue with the second number question. Very good. Yes, my dear children. Now here what we have to do is listen and choose the best job for each person. Use some of the words from exercise 1. Okay, it means there are some jobs given, no? Dentist, journalist, farmer, engineer, nurse, again mechanic, receptionist, like that. So we have to use that word. But for this we have to listen the recording. Children, I am again and again requesting you that please you refer the CD if possible. Don't use this audio script. Okay, this is only I am using the audio script because I am unable to that CD I am unable to play in this video. That is why I am referring this. But at home, if it is possible, I request you all, please refer the CD so that you will get habitual of that pronunciation which is there in the CD. Right? Yes. So first we will see in the example what we have to do is, in the example, woman, Paul gets up early and likes to be outside. He doesn't like towns and cities. Okay, then Paul, what he want to do? See, he gets up early and likes to be outside. He doesn't like towns and city. It means he like to live in the village, on the farm. It means who is he? It's the farmer. Understood? Yes. So like this we have to write the words. First number. Now what is given here? Raquel. See here. What is the recording? Raquel is good at English. She always wants to know what is happening in the world. Yes, children. Now this recording, this conversation is related to which profession? You can see in the exercise 1. Raquel is good at English. She always wants to know what is happening in the world. Just try to find out. Children, I will give you one clue. From that job list, who is always updated with the current affairs from the world? At what place, what time, what happened? Who know about this? Yes, it's a journalist. So what we have to write here is journalist. Write with me. What is the spelling? Just a minute. Right? J O U R N A L I S T. Yes, she want to become journalist. Understood? Then next. Who is next? Adriana. Listen the recording. Adriana loves science and maths. She has great ideas and she is good at making things. What will be the answer, children? Usually, children, who likes science and maths? They have great ideas and they are very good at making the different things. So who is this? Yes, my dear children, they are the engineers. Okay, so we'll write here. Write with me, everyone. Write in neat and clean handwriting. ENGINEER. Adriana is the engineer. And last, Adam. Now we'll see the recording. Adam likes helping people. He prefers to work at night. It means, now children, try to find out from that all the professions who like to work at night. Who likes to work at night? Try to read that all the professions in the question number first. Who is ready to work at night? Who is ready to help the people? Yes, my dear children. The answer is nurse. Right? So write down N-U-R-S-E, nurse. Yes, children. So have you understood how we have completed this question number 2? Okay, very good. Yes, my dear children, write down very fast. Shall I rub this? Okay, we'll go to the next question. Yes, my dear children. Now the next question is again related to the vocabulary. Spellings, days and months. Children, what we have to do here? See, cross out the wrong spellings. Very simple. Here children, the spellings of the months are given, but we have to cross out the wrong spelling. Okay, and we have to put the tick mark on the correct spelling. Right? See the example. June spelling is given. J-O-O-N or J-U-N-E. June is given. So my dear children, which one is the wrong spelling here? Yes, J-O-O-N is the wrong. That is why it is crossed. Understood? See here, before that we'll read in the remember box what is given. Always write days and months with capital letters. Yes, my dear children, you know this rule, right? Okay, shall we start? Yes, so first number is March spelling. What is the spelling is given of which month? It is March. So read the spelling, children. Both the spellings will read and then we will cross out the wrong one. Yes, M-A-R-C-H, March, or the another spelling is M-A-R-T-C-H. Which one is the correct? M-A-R-C-H is the correct spelling. It means we have to cut M-A-R-T-C-H, which is the wrong spelling. Okay? So everyone, you have to cut. Yes. Have you understood, children? Very good. Now I will give you 2 minutes. From that you have to cut these wrong spellings. Okay? Yes. Start solving, children. Yes, my dear children. Have you completed? Yes. Now let's check. Second number is May. Which one is the correct? M-A-I, M-A-Y. Yes, M-A-Y is the correct. So we have to cut M-A-I. Third number, N-O-V-E-M-B-R-E, N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R. Yes, N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R is the correct. So we have to cut the first one, which is wrong. Fourth, J-A-N-U-A-R-Y, J-A-N-U-R-Y. First one is correct, another is wrong. So cut that. F-E-B-R-U, sorry, F-E-B-U-A-R-Y or F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y. Which one is the correct? Second one is the correct. So we have to cut first one. Sixth one, A-P-R-I-L or A-V-R-I-L. Which one is the correct? The spelling of April. A-P-R-I-L is the correct. So we have to cut the another one. Seventh one, July, J-U-L-Y or J-U-L-I. Which is the correct? Now which month is going on, children? July only, no? Yes, so which one is the correct? J-U-L-Y is the correct spelling. So we have to cut J-U-L-I. Okay. Eighth number, D-E-C-I-M-B-E-R or D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R. Which one is the correct? Second one is the correct, so we have to cut the first one. A-G-O-S-T or A-U-G-U-S-T. Which one is the correct? Here also second one is the correct. A-U-G-U-S-T. We have to cut the first one. 10th one. S-E-P-T-M-B-E-R or S-E-T-E-M-B-E-R. First one is the correct, children. So we have to cut the second one. And last, O-K-T-O-B-E-R or O-C-T-O-B-E-R. Which is the correct? October spelling. Second one is the correct. So we have to cut first one. Yes, you understood, everyone? Yes. We'll continue with the next question. Children, now in question number 4, again we have to listen the recording and then we have to write the correct day. Understood? So just you will listen the recording carefully and then we will write the day. Yes, children. Now here first we will see the example what is given and what we have to do is, see here. Woman, don't forget Jenny's birthday is on Wednesday. We are going to meet on Tuesday afternoon to go shopping for a card and present for her. Now children, the question is Jenny's birthday is on. Now children, here we have to focus only on birthday. So when is Jenny's birthday? It is on Wednesday. On Tuesday, they went for the shopping, card and present and for her. But here the question is, when is the birthday? So birthday is on Wednesday. Understood? Yes, children. For our confusion, it is given the different days. But we have to focus on what is asked in the question. Now, first number, the speaking test is on. Okay, this is the question. Now we'll see the recording. Man, okay, now students who come to class on Monday, you will have your speaking test on Saturday and not Sunday like the other student. So now my dear children, when is the speaking test? The speaking test is on Saturday. Okay, so we have to write here Saturday. Everyone write with me. While writing, we have to write Saturday's S is capital. Rest of all the letters as it is. Write down. S A T U R D A Y. Written. Second number. Man, if you want to come on the school trip to the zoo next Friday, you need to bring the money in by Tuesday and give it to Mr. Wilson. Okay. It means, children, what is the keywords here? The school trip is on Friday and we have to submit the money by Tuesday. Okay. To whom we have to submit? Mr. Wilson. Now we'll see afterwards the question. What is the question? The trip to the zoo is on dash. So now, children, only we have to read that when is the trip to the zoo? Is on Friday. So write down F-R-I, F capital, F-R-I D-A-Y, Friday. Children, write in proper handwriting, neat and clean. Huh? Third number. Woman, we will have football practice on Monday, Tuesday and Thursday next week because Saturday's match is really important one. Again we will read it. We will have football practice on Monday, Tuesday and Thursday in the next week. Why? Because Saturday's match is really important for us. Now, the question is, football match is on. My dear children, when is the football match? Not the practice days. Here is asked about the football match. So, when it is? It is on Sunday. Yes. So, write down S capital, S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. Okay. Fourth number. The concert is on. Now we'll read. Man, I am so excited about the concert. This time next week we will be there. Oh no, I mean a week from tomorrow we have tickets for Tuesday, not on Monday. Now children, when is the concert? The concert is on. See here, read it carefully. I am so excited about the concert. This time, next week we will be there. Oh no, I mean a week from tomorrow. We have tickets for Tuesday, not Monday. Now tell me children, when is the concert? Fourth number. The concert is on. Okay, I will give you the clue. They have tickets for which day? We have tickets for Tuesday. It means children, if they have the tickets for Tuesday, it means the concert is on that day only, no? It will not on Monday or Wednesday. If they have the tickets on for Tuesday, it means the concert is on Tuesday. Right? Yes. So write down Tuesday. Write T capital. Tuesday. Tuesday. And last, the party is on. My dear children, when is the party? Let's read the conversation. Women, we have a welcome party for all new students on Thursday evening. Please give your name to Ruth by Wednesday if you want to come. Yes, children, there is a party for the new student which is on the Thursday evening, and those who want to come, they have to give their name to Ruth by Wednesday. So when is the party? Focus on only on the party, not on the when we have to give the names or what and anything. So the party is on Thursday, right? Write down Thursday. T capital, THURSDAY. Understood? Shall I rub this? Have you completed? Any doubt, children? Yes, my dear children. So here is the last question. What we have to do is, you will hear Lucas talking to his mom about the job his friends want to do. What job does each friend want to do? Children, we have to listen the conversation first. Then here, match the columns just like. In the first column, name of the friends is given. In front of that, a small box. And in the another column, jobs are given. Actor, coach, dentist, journalist, mechanic, pilot, receptionist, tour guide. So my dear children, we have to listen the recording first, and then we have to write in front of that friend's name what job they want to do. For example, Lucas F, he wants to become pilot. Now see here, what is the recording for this? See, Lucas, Mom, we talked about different jobs in class today, and I am surprised about the jobs some of my friends want to do. Mom, what do you do? Lucas, you know I love planes, so I would like to fly them for my job. See, so Lucas, he wants to fly the planes. So he wants to do the job regarding that. It means Lucas wants to become a pilot. Here it is F. So that is why in the example F is written here. Have you understood? Yes, my dear children. So like this we have to solve this question. Okay. Now for the first number. Great idea. What job does Taylor want to do? Lucas, he wants to work at the hospital. His mom is receptionist there, but he wants to take care of people's teeth. See here. Now here, Taylor want to become who? Actor, coach, dentist, journalist, mechanic, pilot, receptionist, tour guide. Yes, my dear children, he want to become the dentist. Why? Because his mom also works there. She is the receptionist and he wants to help the people. Okay. So he wants to become the dentist. So we will write here C in front of Taylor. Yes. Have you clear about this? Now next is Eva. So first we'll read. That's good job. Eva wants to be a sports coach, doesn't she? Lucas, not now. She wants to show tourists around different towns. Yes, see here. Eva. Actor, coach, journalist, mechanic, pilot, receptionist, tour guide. What she want to become? See here in the advice box the clue is given. Number 22. How do you know Eva doesn't want to be a sports coach? How do we know that she don't want to be a sports coach? See here, it is clearly mentioned. She wants to show tourists round different towns. It means she wants to become tour guide. So here we will write H in front of Eva. So write down H. Children, you have to write that letter in that particular box. It should be not out of the box. Okay. Then 23. Oh, and Mark? He is always helping his dad repairs car. Remember, his dad's got a garage and that's why he wants to do. He will be good at that. Now, what about Mark? Which one is the profession, suitable profession for him? Actor, coach, journalist, mechanic, receptionist. Listen the conversation carefully, my dear children. Yes, Mark, he likes to repair the car with his dad, and his dad, they have the garage also. So, Mark is want to become the mechanic. So, we'll write E here. Number 24, that is Victoria. What she wants to become? Let's see. Does Victoria know what she wants to do? Lucas. Yes, to write articles for newspaper. She wrote a good stories about an actor for English last week. Great. Then now, see here what is given in the advice box. Does Mark want to do the same job as his dad? No, children, it is related to the 23. Now we are looking for the 24. See here what is given. When you hear the information about Victoria, why is actor the wrong answer? One more time we will read the conversation. Does Victoria know what she wants to do? Yes, to write articles for newspaper. She wrote a good story about an actor for English last week. Children, here is the confusion. She wrote a good story about an actor. It doesn't mean that she wants to become an actor. Okay. She writes articles for newspaper and she wrote a good story about an actor for English last week. Isn't it? It means she don't want to become the actor. She want to write for the newspaper. And who writes for the newspaper? Yes, it's the journalist. So we will write D in front of Victoria, right? Are you getting, children? Have you understood? Very good. The last is Bobby. Let's read about him. Great. Now what about Bobby? Lucas. He wants to be in plays and work in theatres all over the world. Mom. He was good in the school play about a hospital. Yes. One more time we'll read. What about Bobby? Lucas. He wants to be in plays and work in the theatres all over the world. Mom. He was good in the school play about a hospital. Now, what will be the option for him? Actor, coach, dentist, journalist, mechanic, pilot, receptionist, tour guide. Which one is the correct? Yes, children, Bobby, he wants to become the actor because he is good at play. Isn't it? So, we'll write option A here. Yes, children. So, in this way, we have completed the listening part 5 also. Are you getting? I think everyone, all of you understood this part? Very good. If you have any doubt, any queries, you can ask me through the mail. My mail ID is ivbct@pratibhaintschool.org. Now this is the homework time, children. We have completed the classwork. Have you completed this? Shall I erase? Now see, this is your homework. Now what we have to do is, you have to close your books and write out the 12 months with correct spellings. Without looking, children, here and there. Okay, close the book and then you have to write the name of the 12 months with the correct spelling. And then this page you will staple in your textbook at page number 38. Write on a small page so that you can staple that page in the textbook, page number 38, and you will click a photograph of that and then you will upload it to your drive which I sent you. Understood till here, everyone, children? Yes. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a good day.